Hey beauties! Welcome back to Beautyistic. If you've ever struggled to get those tight, defined curls that hold all day, you might be curious about a tool designed specifically for short to medium hair. Today, we're looking at the Conair Instant Heat 1/4-inch curling iron, a curling iron that promises long-lasting, bouncy curls with a range of customizable heat settings. The Conair Instant Heat curling iron comes with a 1/4-inch barrel, perfect for creating tight curls, and features multi-layer technology for even heat distribution. It heats up in just 60 seconds and offers 25 heat settings along with turbo heat, so you can style your hair quickly and adjust the temperature depending on your hair type. Dual voltage makes it convenient for travel, and safety features like an extra long cool tip, a 5-foot cord, and auto shutoff give you peace of mind while styling. In my experience using this curling iron, it was straightforward to handle, even on shorter hair lengths. The barrel size is ideal for creating defined curls without them looking too chunky, and the heat settings let me find the right temperature to avoid damage while still achieving long-lasting results. I tested it on damp to dry hair and found that the curls stayed bouncy for several hours, even with normal daily activity. The cool tip made it easy to maneuver without worrying about burns, and the cord length gave me flexibility when styling near mirrors or outlets. Pros? The heat heats up almost instantly, which is perfect for busy mornings. The 25 settings give you full control, and the curls are shiny and well-defined. It's travel-friendly thanks to dual voltage, and the safety features are reassuring. On the flip side, because it's a smaller barrel, it might not be the best option if you're looking for looser, voluminous waves. Also, if you have very thick or coarse hair, you may need to work in smaller sections to get uniform curls. For value, it's competitively priced for a curling iron that offers this level of versatility and quick heat-up time. Compared to other 1/4-inch curling irons, Conair delivers consistent curls and durability without the premium price tag some high-end brands demand. The build is solid, with sturdy plastic and a comfortable grip, and it feels reliable enough for regular use. If you're considering alternatives, similar-sized barrels from brands like Remington or Babyliss can achieve comparable curls, but the instant heat feature and range of settings on the Conair give it an edge for convenience and speed. Overall, the Conair Instant Heat 1/4-inch curling iron performs exactly as promised. It produces tight, bouncy curls, heats up quickly, and gives you control with multiple settings. It's particularly well-suited for anyone with short to medium hair who wants precise curls without spending too much time or money. If this review is helpful to you, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for stopping by Beautyistic today. If you've tried this curling iron, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. The link to grab your own is in the description. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful, inside and out.